Hey guys, welcome back to John 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today Monster Hunter Sunbreak for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. I'm running with 16GB DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and pain is about to start right off the bat. As you can see, we're having some serious issues here with the vertex shaders going all over the place. Obviously, I don't think this one is playable, guys, right off the bat, unfortunately. Users doing that a lot lately. When they post games, they're not necessarily running right off the bat here. Maybe if Ryujin said it run better, but with an RX-570, not the best idea to test that either. So yeah, that's not good. This is what I get. This is what I get trying to play a Monster Hunter Sunrise. Oh dear, it looks brutal. It is brutal on YUZU. It kind of sucks because YUZU is always my go-to. I will test it on Ryujinx just for you guys, but look at the amount of RAM this crap takes up. Over 10 gigs. Insanity. This is going to be a very short video. But hey, at least it's running, you know? I mean, small wins, guys, small wins. The controller even seems all over the place. It's stuttering like crazy. It's not even compiling shit. That's how bad it is. It's just stuttering, and it's not. Yeah, it's no good. This is no good. Like, this is the worst YUZU tested game I've seen in a long time. Like, it is bad. It's crazy because the game actually looks really good. But I ain't seeing that. Obviously, the demo is on PC, so I will test out the demo just for you guys as well. Show you guys how it runs on all of my integrated graphics. It's using the RE engine, which I thought was interesting. But like I said, this video is going to be short. It's not going to run. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you guys like seeing me test games first to see how they run on systems, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys again.